United World School of Business is currently operating in 5 cities in India: Calcutta, Bombay, Ahmedabad, and the new campuses in Gurgaon and Hyderabad. My name is Tridibesh Bandopadhyay. I am the director of United World School of Business. I am an alumni from Indian Institute of Management, Calcutta, and have got roughly about 20 years of experience in different areas. We are offering a 2-year full-time diploma program for the university graduates coming from areas like computer science, commerce, arts, and the areas of business administration. We also have introduced our first international campus in Singapore, where we will run a 1-year full-time postgraduate diploma program in strategic leadership. Our capacity in each campus is about 120 students, and for Singapore we are looking at a batch of 100 students to start with. Our campus in Singapore is located at this emerging business district area. It's an area called Tampines. It's a very modern and state-of-the-art infrastructure. We have already received approval from the government of Singapore to operate as an approved private institution. This institution will offer 1-year full-time program in strategic leadership for students in India and other countries in and around Singapore, and also for all our Indian students from all 5 campuses. They will go to our Singapore campus for an international business camp for 1 month, which is a part of the academic curriculum. The purpose of this is to make them aware and engaged with a matured and developed business environment like Singapore. We are pretty sure that it will add huge value in terms of their overall learning and making them globally competitive human resource. I think the market response has been extremely good in the first year. We have got 360 students across our 3 campuses, and the similar number of good students will be having in this year. Also, we are looking at about 600 plus students across 5 campuses in India. We are looking at CAT or XAT score as the pre-qualifying criteria, and then we have got our own 4-stage selection process, because it is very critical to have the basic ingredients in the students to make them industry ready. The industry needs people, huge appetite is there for the industry, but the students have to groom themselves and make themselves ready to be contributing to the industry. The students are serious enough. I think the placement is not an issue. We have got a complete structure ready for placements. We have got a 3-tier placement process which we work with. We have got a separately dedicated team. One team is working with the local companies for local opportunities. One more level or team is working with the pan-India opportunity offered by the big companies. And we also even have dedicated people located in our Singapore campus to create opportunity in the Southeast Asian marketplace. So depending on the student's competence, we are completely ready to offer him the best possible placement opportunity. For all the Indian programs across 5 campuses, our fees is 5.5 lakhs for the entire 2-year program. It includes the cost of the international business camp in Singapore and a laptop for each student.